Welcome to part 3 of my May 2019 Portland trip for Casey and Daniel's wedding. Let's pick up in Tillamook. We got smoked black pepper, white cheddar, sharp cheddar, medium white cheddar, Colby Jack, fantastic, and cheddar cheese curds.
You best know we're gonna do a tasting.
Yeah, we're gonna do a cheese tasting.
A flight of cheese.
We got the Tillamook cheese manufacturing process hall. We say steps 1 through 12. Let's take a look inside. Alright, let's take a tour of the cheese. Note that now I've been around a section. It's actually out of order. You go 1 through 6, and then you go 12 down to like 7 or 8 or something. Milk arrives. Cards and weigh. They mix the cheese, and it kind of separates into cards and weigh, and the cheddar master. It flips and rotates the cheese to separate the cards and weigh. They used to do this by hand. And an open bat. They salt the cheese. The only thing added, I guess, after the cheddar master process. Then it gets packaged into blocks, bagged, and shipped out to cold storage, where we actually got on to step 12. Let's get a preview of what's coming up next. The cheese returns. From the big cheese wall. And enters, it's debagged. It's cut up. Oh, there's some blocks of cheese. Looks like the line stopped. I guess cut into different size blocks. Weighed. Man, maybe shift's changed. Everyone disappeared. All the workers. Bagged. Naked cheese? Naked cheese. And the blue octopus vacuum sealing, it was spinning, it was bagging. The bags were going with one end open. Go in, get steamed and sealed, come out, totally closed off. But it just stopped a minute ago. Then it gets inspected and goes out. We drove from the creamery back to Portland to get Yvonne to the rehearsal dinner prep on time. Then Mike and I ventured across the Columbia River for my first visit to the state of Washington and first beer in the state. Alright, we drove from Tillamook, Oregon, back to Portland, dropped off Yvonne at Troutdale, Oregon or something, And now we drove across the bridge to go to Vancouver, Washington. First time in the state for me to go to Fortside Brewing Company. Let me go ahead and check it out. Fortside Brewing provided a new place and beers to try, and they had a nice spread. I tried Fortside Ripple Hazy IPA, Bob Sour Porter, Palm Bomb, Barrel Aged Kanaka, 2018 Barrel Fired, and Night King, which was a good Russian Imperial Stout. Barrel Aged Kanaka was the most complex. It had a nose of some wine and dough, and tasted like mild, barrel-aged, kinda mild cough syrup. It got a little better as it breathed, like a port barrel-aged saison with old ale vibes. We then headed from Fortside to Loowit Brewing in downtown Vancouver, Washington. Alright, we enjoyed our time at Fortside Brewing Company, and now we're at Loowit Brewing Company in Vancouver, Washington. We're gonna get a drink here and then head back to Portland, Oregon. At Loowit Brewing, I tried two beers that sounded very good. First was the Loowit Cryptodome 2017 Barrel-Aged Barley Wine, which was a good barley wine but a bit thin for barrel-aged. It was quite traditional and very solid overall. Second was Truman's Goddamn Barrel-Aged Strong Ale 2017. This was a good barrel-aged beer again. I was pretty happy with the beers and found them both very tasty. I recommend checking out both Fortside and Loowit if you're in the area. We returned to Portland and met with a buddy of mine, Cam, and his girlfriend, Alex. We met them at the Loyal Legion bar, which was having a Block 15 tap takeover. Just check out that tap list. This afforded us the chance to try several interesting and flavorful beverages. Block 15 brews some great beer. Lastly, we all went to Apex Bar for a couple nightcap beers to end our adventurous day. Today, we visited Jeannie's Cafe, Oceanside Beach, Dagard Brewing, Pelican Brewing, Tillamook Creamery, Fortside Brewing, Loowit Brewing, Loyal Legion, and Apex. Check out the next video to see what we did the next day.